All right, let's look at question 6. Here you're asking to find the indicated measure. They're asking you to find the arc of RS, okay? Notice that the angle here is actually the inscribed angle, and the property is that the angle is equal to 1/2 the arc. So just plug it in. The angle is 67. Okay, so therefore the arc has to be double it because you multiply 2 to both sides to get rid of the 1/2. So RS is equal to 134. Notice the arc always has to be bigger than the inscribed angle. Okay, let's look at the next one here. Here they're asking you to find the anglement of angle G. The issue is that you need to know the arc of FD. To do that, you can use the triangle sum. The arc sum. Know that the total arcs inside a circle is 360. Okay, that's why FD, you can get that by doing 360 minusing 70 minusing 120. Okay, and I think that is 190. 190 minus 60 is 70. 170. Yeah. So the arc of FD is basically 170. Half of that is 85. Okay, that's the angle measurement of angle G, 85. All right. Let's look at C. Here you're trying to look at angle N. Notice that they only gave you partial of that arc, which is 60, but NL is the diameter. Therefore, you can do 180 minus 160 to get that little arc left. And I think that little arc is 20, so half of 20 is 10. So the angle is 10. Let's look at D. They're looking for WX. So you need to do the arc addition, okay? Let's find WY first. Well, we know that the angle X is going to be 1/2 the arc. We know that the angle is 75. So multiply both sides by 2. The arc of WY equals to 150, okay? Once you know that that arc is 150 and the other part is 110, just subtract that from 360. That's what WX is, okay? 360 minus the 150 that we got, which is arc WY, minusing the 110, which is arc YX, you get the arc that's left. 100 is equal to the arc measurement of WX.